We can't see any more deaths. This is what the medical fraternities around the world keep saying. Have you ever realized why doctors are committing suicides very often? Today, in this video, I would like to be the voice of many frontliners who are struggling during this pandemic. This is me, Dr. Sumi. Welcome to my channel, MedCool. On one side, when people across the globe are confined to their homes with education and business being shut down, the health workers, the doctors and the nurses are working 24/7 to fight this pandemic from the front. Risking their own lives with their selfless determination is something that we should never forget. This pandemic has not only taken many lives, but it has given a huge blow to the medical infrastructure. The medical infrastructure is collapsing everywhere around the globe, and the doctors and the nurses are forced to work with either no resources available or limited resources, putting these doctors and nurses at high risk. We doctors know what's best for you, but if we are forced to treat you with the limited resources, we as doctors know that these treatments won't be that effective, and this is mentally affecting us. It is worth mentioning the point that these frontliners, they are working beyond their threshold so that we all can survive. The sleep-deprived heroes include the doctors, the nurses, the ambulance drivers, the pathologists, the medical researchers, the medical cleaners. We fight this war with a simple thermometer, a stethoscope, and a ventilator. These frontliners have been doing continuous shifts since a year, sacrificing their health, their families, so that none of the patients are left unattended. These frontliners are putting their maximum effort to save their lives, but the risks are beyond our control. It's even more depressing to see the patients die in front of us, and hurting us to even convince the patient's relative about the situation. It hurts us even more when we are forced to reject the admissions of the patient because that patient might have exhausted all the options available, and another rejection would kill him indirectly. All these frontliners are going through an emotional trauma. Things are going beyond our ethics. All these medical workers have sworn that they shall not lie and they shall serve mankind. But things that are happening are beyond our control. All the hospitals are working with 1/3 capacity because majority of their staffs have been affected. When these frontliners are affected, there is no treatment. There is no bed in case we need. What more depressing can it be? Wearing this PPE kit for more than 10 hours is a tedious task, but we control our bladder, sacrifice our hunger, our thirst, so that no one will die. All around the world, the medical doctors, these frontliners are yelling and crying for help, but no one listens. I urge every country, every mankind to come forward and support these frontliners in a way you can. We are also humans. We need your support. The least you all can do is by abiding the new norm life strategies and by appreciating these frontliners, because these frontliners deserve it. And to all my frontliners and my medical fellow mates, we are warriors. We shall overcome this. The only option in front is to be brave, be strong. God bless you all. Hi friends, hope you like this video. Please do pray and support the frontliners. And do subscribe my channel for more updates.